What is up, guys? So today I want to show you my little cam project. So just a quick little sum up. I was supposed to go to Germany and study abroad for 5 months, and I was supposed to do a project there. So where I was making a can display for a car. So aftermarket ECU would hook up its CAN network to it, and you would see all these values that you choose in a little graphical display. It was a touchscreen display, so it's pretty cool. But let's see, I want to show you what I got so far. Before I show you, I forgot to mention that because of the coronavirus outbreak, I had to cancel my trip and I have to make up that project here at my current college. So that's why I'm doing this now. But nonetheless, let me show you what I got. So this is it. It's a 4.3-inch touchscreen display, and got a few pages here, but this is the main menu. So the driving menu, you got your RPM on the side. It's not to scale yet. I got to fix a few things, and the random values are just like 500 through 20-something hundred. But yeah, so you would have your RPM on the side. It's green until you hit red line, and it changes, and you get to set all these values, which is really cool. So I'll go through each page, but yeah, you have oil temp, coolant temp, oil pressure, boost pressure. Go to the next page. You got some more diagnostics, and go to your next page. This is where you would set in the warnings. Right now these are just garbage values, but you would set in like, I don't want my coolant to get above, like say 85 degrees C, right? Well, if you put that value in here, what it's going to do is on this page, so your coolant gets too hot, it'll light up red, and you can see that and be like, oh wow, you're getting a little warm, so be cautious. So just, cool little things that I want to incorporate into this project. So you get to set all these values. You get to set your red line, your boost. I wish my max boost was that high. Your max oil temperature, and just little things. Now this is the cool one. Hopefully this works. I haven't gotten to the CAN communication yet, but I want to be able to set the CAN IDs from this end. So just a quick explanation. Your aftermarket ECU has a CAN network where you hook up to it, and it's sending all these messages with an address. So like you'll send your RPM through this message with this address. And on this end, you'll have to say, okay, well, my RPM, or say my coolant, because actually I don't have this page working yet, but you would click on the change button, and you would put in your address to accept these coolant messages, so you know it's the right message. I have just started working on it for this page for setting up the values, and if I do this, it'll lock me out because I didn't finish. But you hit change, and it brings up a number keypad. I'm still working on this. It's a lot of software to it, but almost there. But essentially, you type in the values that you want to read here. I have it working, but I don't have the exit done yet or the backspace done yet. So I can punch in numbers. They won't show up here yet, but yeah. So that's really it so far. I'm looking to make just like a cheaper alternative to the $1,200, $1,500 existing displays that people put in their cars. And it's not to replace your gauge cluster, it's to be an aftermarket visual. Like if you want to know these things on the fly, you could do that. So just giving you a little heads up, it's coming, and it'll be pretty cool when it's all done. Still working out a few bugs, but this is the project a couple weeks in. But yeah, hope you guys like that. I'll keep you posted on how it goes and what the result is so far. So until then, guys, see you later. I'm Dylon Da Silva. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to stay up to date on all new content every week. You guys have a good one.